Hi, I'm Justin with Wagon Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 4800, item number 8592. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. It's like Christmas. Included in the box is the light, the two mounting brackets to mount this to the pole, a detailed instruction manual, and a full-featured remote control. Now let's take a look at the features of this light. This light is the bigger version of our Solar Plus LED Floodlight 1600. The 4800 lumen version offers the same styling and features as its brethren, including its completely self-contained, solar-powered, LED illuminated, weatherproof and waterproof, pole and wall mountable, and motion sensing. Our floodlight is perfect for adding light to sidewalks, driveways, parking lots, roadways, and other remote areas. On the top, we have a 21-watt monocrystalline solar panel that can fully charge the internal lithium-ion battery in 8 to 10 hours under full sun. On the bottom, we have 90 LEDs that produce 4,800 lumens of bright light at 6,000 K color temperature. These LEDs are optimized for excellent light dispersion, and the reflector provides a broad spread of light to illuminate wide areas. The LED lights are powered by 12 amp hour, 9.6 volt, 32650 LiFePO4 battery that is capable of providing 3 full nights of light on a single charge. The case is made out of a tough polycarbonate that's UV protected and is IP65 rated waterproof and built to withstand the elements. On the back, we have a simple mounting bracket that is adjustable for the optimal angle of your choosing. As for mounting options, you can use the provided hardware to mount on a wall or a pole. Here are the basic layouts for the light. This is the PIR or motion sensor, this is the remote control sensor, and this is the on and off button. By depressing this button once, you get a constant lighting mode. Press it twice, it goes into motion sensing mode. Press it a third time, and it turns the light completely off. And that's been our look at the Wagon Tech Solar Plus LED Floodlight 4800. If you're interested in purchasing this product, click the link right here. Give us a like if you find this video helpful. Leave a comment or question if you have any, and also subscribe while you're at it. Thank you very much for watching.